Another way to generate keywords, which can be seen as data sources, is by utilizing the AI integrations provided by Page Generator Pro. To do this, you'll firstly need to navigate to Settings and then click on the Integrations tab. For the AI service that you would like to use, you'll need to enter an API key. So in this example, we'll use OpenAI. You'll then click the Save button and we see confirmation that the settings have saved. Next, we'll navigate to the keyword screen and we'll click on Add Keyword. We'll begin by entering a name for the keyword. So we'll use service. And for the source, instead of selecting local, we can see that OpenAI is available. If you don't see the AI service listed here, you'll need to double check that you've entered the API key for that service on the settings screen that we looked at earlier. We then have two additional options here, unique to AI, which are topic and data columns. The topic will be the list of services that we want to generate. So in this example, if we're a plumbing business, we could go ahead and type in plumbing services. And for now, we'll set a limit of 10 and we'll ignore the data columns option. After a few moments, we can see that the keyword was saved successfully. We have our service name and we have 10 services that the AI believed to be relevant to plumbing services. At this point, you may wish to adjust these to meet the services that you provide. You may want to add more, remove some that aren't relevant, and so on. In Page Generator Pro 5 and higher, we have a new data columns option. And this allows us to fetch a richer list of data relative to the topic that we've entered. So if we're talking about plumbing services, we may not simply want a list of the services offered, but we might want to include some ancillary information such as the service title, a brief description of that service, perhaps some costing and durations. We can see we have an example here, so you can go ahead and enter these data columns, comma separated, for any data that you want relative to the topic here. And once again, we'll set a limit of 10. We'll click on Save and we'll see the generated keyword. This time we see that we don't only have the service, but we also have the additional data that we requested. So in this case, we have the service title, we have a description of the service, we have an average cost and an average duration. This is based on AI, so of course you're free to go and edit this keyword terms in the same way you would a keyword that's sourced locally or from a CSV file. So if you believe that these estimates may be incorrect or you'd like to add additional services and terms, you're free to do so. Another example might be that we want to generate data for the top 10 selling mobile phones. So we could do this by typing in mobiles as the keyword. The topic would be best selling mobile phones in the USA in 2024, and the data columns will instruct the AI to return data specific to what we're looking for. So in this case, we will want the make, the model, the price, the units sold, and perhaps a customer rating as well. Once again, we'll limit this to 10. You could have more or less if you require. We'll go ahead and click Save. We can see in the resulting data we have the 10 results with the make, the model of each phone, its price, the number of units sold, and in this case a customer rating out of 5.